second. Hold the nose on up through the vertical. Exert a force of about 3.5 to 4 times the force of gravity, or 3.5 to 4 G's, positive G's. You hold on the wings of the airplane. Get it up over the top of the loop.
Hey, 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 it's Scotty the Can Man. Yes, you can. I'm at the Reading Airport for the World War II Air Show weekend. Having a good time. But lots of planes and everything, lots of displays. Here's a Chinese display with the MAXIUM machine gun. Here's a plane doing a loop. Really cool. B-25 Liberator there.
Checking his altimeter for height above the ground. Checking his second loop. Kevin's going to turn the airplane around and come back from the left.
So cool. Anyway, Scotty the Can Man, yes you can. Live at the World War II weekend at the Reading Air Show. Talk to you soon.
Knife edge on inverted, knife edge again, and right back to upright. He'll turn the airplane